I'm freaking out! I'm so nervous. I tried to find pomegranates, but I can't.
I got tuna, so I'm gonna make like the beer tuna with spicy sauce from Thailand. It's gonna be great.
I think I'm gonna change the pomegranate to melon now. Make something with the eggplant.
I'm compete with Charlotte from Holland. She's very energetic. I'm really excited.
Oh, it's the amazing chef Non. I'm really nervous. He's really good.
I try to plan ahead, but hopefully everything will be okay.
Really fast heartbeat, and I'm gonna blow him away.
I'll win.
Netherlands, of course. I'm the best.
Let's go!
Let's go! I love the grill. We use it a lot in Holland. Five minutes. Winning place.
Hi, Chef.
How are you?
This is my favorite.
Yay, Chef!